Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Fantasmic Mickey, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. First, let's get started in the middle of our page, and we're going to draw in a curved line for the bottom of the hat. We're going to round this out on the side. So on the top, we're going to curve this over, and we're going to pull that into the middle. We'll do the exact same thing on the right now, curving this over, pulling that up, blending that together right in the center. Let's frame in the top of the hat here. So stepping in on this line, we're going to curve this over and through on a diagonal. We'll round this top edge out, curving this down and in on the side. Now to the right of this, we're going to draw in a half circle for the ear. And then coming across on the left-hand side, again drawing in another circle, curving this around. And we're just going to pull that back into the bottom of the hat. Let's add in the details on the hat now. So coming up for the moon, we're just going to draw in the letter C. And then from that point on the top, again, just dragging this around, tucking that in on the very bottom. Now let's come up. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming in towards the side. And then from that point, we're going to pull this back down to the middle. Again, from here, we're going to drag this diagonal line across. And then we're going to bring this over to the side of the hat again. Let's come up for the star over here now. So right over on the side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in. And then from this point, we're going to drag this back out to the side. From that point now, let's bring that up. And then we're going to bring this across to the right. Now we're going to drag this line in. Let's draw two diagonal lines. So we're going to come up and then across. And then we're going to connect this to the side of the hat. Let's draw in our last star on the left. So we're going to draw a straight line coming across. We're going to, from that point, bring this diagonal line into the middle. Let's pull this back down to the bottom now. And then again, from here, we're just going to draw this diagonal line coming through to the side of the hat. Now let's draw in Mickey's face. So from this edge, we're going to round out the cheek, curving this over and into the middle. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, and we're just going to leave a gap, ending that at the exact same height. Now for the chin, we're going to close this off with a curved line, connecting those together. Now let's come down for the eyes. So we're going to sort of frame his face in on a diagonal here. It's coming down and towards the middle for the bridge of the eyes. We're just going to curve this line over. Now, in the middle, we're going to draw in an arch line, curving this over, pulling this back down on the side. Leaving a gap, we're going to replicate that on the right-hand side as well, pulling that in. Let's add in the pupils now. So coming down on this edge, we're going to curve this around and in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in a small highlight on the top. So we're going to draw in a small oval. And then we'll just color in the rest of the pupil black. Now for Mickey's nose coming down, we're going to draw in a nice big sideways oval. And then on top of that, drawing in a smaller sideways oval for the highlight. And then we'll just color in the rest of the nose black. Now let's come down for the mouth. So dropping over on the left, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line. And then we'll add a corner bracket on each side. Now following the shape of the chin, coming underneath, we're going to curve this around, tucking that back up on the side. For the tongue in the middle, we're going to curve this line over, and then stepping across on the right, curving that back through again. Let's frame in the rest of the cheek here. So we're going to curve this over and through. We'll replicate that on the right as well. And then from that point, we're going to curve this up and in towards the hat. Now in the center, we're going to curve this down to the middle, pulling that back up and over on the right. Now let's frame in the robe. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this down, up, and over. We're going to, from this line, curve this line out for the arm. Now from here, let's draw on the first finger. So we're going to drag this line up, curving this around, tucking that back in. For the center finger here now, we're going to curve this down, around, tucking that back up. And then for the pinky, we're just going to curve this out, around, and back in. For the bottom of the palm here, curving this line across. And then now for the thumb, we're going to drag this line up, tucking this down, and then through. Let's close off the back of the cloak here for the neckline, pulling that up. Now let's close off the wrist on the rope. So from the top here, curving this down to the thumb. And then we're going to arch this back around, tucking that in to the palm. Let's leave a small gap here coming down. We're going to round this out, curving this over and through. And then stepping down on this line, just curving that over for the bottom of the arm. Now from here, from the side, we're just going to curve this over and out to the left. And then now we're going to come over on the right, stepping up, rounding that out for the top, curving this down and out. Now in the middle, coming down, let's draw in a circle. For the tie on the robe, we're going to arch this line out on the left and right hand side, pulling that back in, creating basically a little bow tie here. We'll do the exact same thing in the middle, curving this around and back up. Now on the top, we're going to continue to arch this line over to the side and then dropping down, replicating that again once more. Let's close off the right hand side. So underneath the circle here, curving this down, connecting that together. And then we're just going to add a small detailed line, curving that across. Now on the left hand side, leaving a gap, we're going to curve this out and through to the side. And then we'll continue to round this out. So starting back on this line, we're going to curve this over, tucking this down, and then back in on top of that line. We're going to add in a small detailed line here on the left, curving this over and through. Now let's draw in Mickey's right arm. So beside the chin here, above here, we're going to curve this over and up. Now for the palm, we're going to arch this out to the top. For the thumb, we're going to curve this out, around, bringing that down. Let's come down. We'll continue the palm underneath. So we're going to curve this over. We're going to arch this line out to the side. And then for that pinky, we're just going to curve this around, tucking that back in. We'll step in on a diagonal, replicating that. So curving that over and then back down again on the bottom. For the pointer finger now, stepping up, we're going to curve this out, around and down, connecting that into the thumb. Let's draw in a small arch line now in the center of the palm. Let's come underneath for the cloak now on the arm. So from that edge, we're going to curve this down, tucking that up. Let's bring the arm in here. So we're just going to curve this over and through. Now let's step down again, curving this around and up. And then leaving a small gap, curving that back through on the top again. Now closing off the bottom, we're just going to curve this line into the side of the robe. Let's come up. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line on a diagonal. And then leaving a small gap, we'll replicate that as we come down, tucking that in. Now from here, let's draw in some stars. So we're going to draw in a cross. And then we'll draw a diagonal line through that and one more on the side. Let's come down. We're going to draw two more, making these smaller. Let's drop down again. We'll draw one on the left here, one on the right. We're going to draw another one as we come down, and then one more on the right. Now let's move through for the torso. So coming underneath, we're just going to curve this line across on a diagonal. Now let's draw on the right leg. So we're going to curve this line across. And then coming underneath that, we're just going to curve that down on a diagonal. For the shoe, we're going to close this off by curving this down, up, over, and around. Now stepping in, curving that up and over again. Let's come down, curving that across, arching that out. One more time, curving this around, arching that over and in. Let's step up on this line, curving this around and up. Now for the back on the heel, just curving this over and through. And then for the bottom of the shoe, we're just going to pull this around, curving this out and in, connecting that together. Let's draw on that left foot now. So we're going to come down on the back and we're going to curve this around and in. Now from that point, we're going to curve this around, pulling that back down. And then for the front of the shoe, just arching that in towards the cloak. Let's come up, arching that through. One more time as we come in towards the top. And then now from here, we're just going to arch this out and in. And then let's close off the back of the cloak. So we're just going to curve this line across from shoe to shoe. And that is it. That's how you draw Fantasmic Mickey. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.